So the self credit builder account is very simple. What you want to do is you want to pick a plan. You got a plan between $25 and $150. I like to do that $48 per month plan because it got the cheapest fees, and then two, they're going to report to the credit bureaus for a year. So do the $48 per month plan. I pay $48 per month. As I pay per month, they're going to report to the credit bureaus. As they report to the credit bureaus that I'm paying on time, my credit score is going to go up. As my credit score go up, I should be able to get approved for more credit cards. After the 12 months, they're going to give me all of my money back minus a $46 total fees because they charge you interest. And that's it. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. I pay $48 per month. They report to the credit bureaus. After the 12 months, they're going to stop reporting and they're going to give my money back. It's as simple as that. But my credit score should have went up. Now, again, there's different plans other than just that $48 per month plan. That's just the one I love. Like, I just love that one. You guys can do $25 per month for 24 months. I tell people, if you have a late payment within the last year, you better not think about doing the any other plans. Like, don't even think about it. Do a plan that's probably the 12 months. Pick one and don't do the 150, do the $48 because I've seen people with late payments for $5 and $10. Like, just do like the $48 per month plan. Simple. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. You pay on it for 12 months, and then you're going to get this amount back after you pay the $48. You do the $35 a month plan, you're doing that for 24 months, you're going to get $724 back. If you pay $150 per month for 12 months, they're going to report to the credit bureau every month. Your credit score should go up. And after your 12 months, they're going to give you back $1,663. That's as simple as that. That's how the credit builder works. So that's my explanation of it. You guys are going to get your money back after you pay on it. You're going to get it back direct deposit, or you guys can get a check. I just suggest you guys get it back via direct deposit, because if you guys choose a check, or if you guys were to get sent a check, then it can get lost. It can get lost. Not only can it get lost, but it's going to take up to 3 weeks to get that check. So definitely set up direct